Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. I think we're going to get this done in about 10 minutes. Chicken, cream sauce with bell peppers. It's really, really simple. It is delightful. It is easy. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Really simple but delicious, this one. Chicken. So I've got chicken breast, no skin, no bone. There's one chicken breast there. Cut it into nice long strips. Cream. Now, there's about 125 grams of cream there. Or like, a cup of cream maybe, something like that. Now, I'm using a thick cream. I get lots of questions about this. It will make no difference if you use thick or thin cream. Onion chopped, using red. Bell peppers, a nice little color in there, red, yellow, green, orange. 1 tablespoon of garlic. A couple of teaspoons of oregano. We're gonna start this off with some olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of cheese, delicious. By the way, I'm not going to concentrate on the pasta at all, just on the sauce. So get your pasta cooked. You can use any type of pasta you want. So here we are, got a pan here, olive oil in, above medium heat. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in our onion. Our garlic, like a tablespoon of garlic there. Our chicken breast. Like I say, no skin, no bone, and I've cut that into nice thin strips. Why I'm here. Salt. Black pepper. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes. So that's about 4 minutes there. That chicken's not cooked all the way through, don't worry. We've still got a little way to go. Let's now get in our bell peppers, nice color selection there. That little bit of oregano. Now I'm using oregano, but use basil, use thyme, use rosemary. If you want, put a little bit of chili in here, a little bit of cayenne or something. Play around with it how you wish. Stay on this heat, which is fairly vibrant, as you can see and hear. And I'll be back in again in another 4 minutes. Keep this thing moving. How wonderful is that? Nice and easy. Now we're going to go with our cream. Like I say, thick or thin cream, it's not going to make any difference. Little bit here. Parmesan. 2 minutes max. Keep this moving all the time. We're nearly done. Fabulous stuff. Simply get your pasta of choice in. I'm using this fusilli. Work it in for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll see you at the table. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So happy. And there you go. What was that? 10 minutes we got that done in. Really beautiful. I'll just put a little bit more parmesan on the top. Add more cream if you want. I don't like it swimming in the sauce, I'll just like a little glaze on there, but that is perfect, I think. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.